Hiya and welcome to itsycrafty and my unboxing of the latest Planners Anonymous kit. This is the kit that shipped in April and it is called Poolside. And it's lots of blues, reds and whites. This is the standard monthly subscription kit, the add-on sticker kit, add-on paper pack, and the papers that come with the standard monthly kit. The first paper is a gorgeous poolside scene that's just, oh my gosh, that just feels so relaxing just looking at it, and just the blues in it, just absolutely love it. And on the reverse of that there is this blue watercolor. As per usual, the paper has that nice feel. And then this page is the unicorn floaty, and then lots of poolside clothing. Lots of different icons there. There's a bit of a close-up. And on the reverse of that, we've got the brown watercolor from the sun hat. That contrasts nicely. And then here, lots and lots of pool floaties, and obviously the red, white and blue colours, which are the colours for the kit, and the red watercolour on the reverse of that. The vellum is the same, so it's this pool floaty print, and it's the slightly translucent paper. It's vellum. And this one's acetate, and it has silver sunglass print on it. Sorry about the glare there, but that's that. So these are the papers and specialty papers for Poolside, and they give a really good impression of the colours that'll be in the Poolside kit and some of the artwork that'll be in it. But now let's look at everything else that comes in the kit. First off, we have our girl for the month, and this is Brooke. And it says, get ready to make a splash. You're invited to our upcoming pool party and barbecue. Jump in. And I love that she actually has a nice curvy body shape. And on the reverse there, we've got all of the items that are included in the kit, and also a mention there that there's some printables and digital goodies. Some are free with the kit and some are add-ons which you can also purchase, such as Luxe monthly printables and things. But anyway, let's have a look at everything else. My eye always is drawn to the pen, being a stationery lover from way back. The barrel of this pen is amazing. It's really glossy. I'm really not sure. It's, you know, it's almost like it's made of something different than usual. I'm not too sure whether that's just the colour doing that, but it's super, super glossy looking. And then we've got patriotic red, white and blue crystals in there, and it's silver hardware. So we have our Planners Anonymous etched along here as per usual. And that is the gorgeous, gorgeous pen. And the quote cards for the month, we've got Take the Plunge, Red, White and Barbecue, Sun's Out, Buns Out, Lazy, Hazy, Crazy Days, Splash the Day Away, All Things Are Popsicle. And there's the backing card there. So 6 different quote cards as per usual. We have 6 and they're in different colours of the kit. The stamp set for Poolside. There's a change this month in that we don't have a stamp of the Planner Girl, but we have heaps of Poolside stamps here. We've got some text, we've got weekend, chill out, relax and you're invited. And then we've got barbecues, punch, pool floaties, flip-flops, popsicles, a drink, a chair, another big popsicle floaty, barbecue tongs, sunglasses and a unicorn pool floaty. So lots of summery fun there. I'm currently in autumn over here, but this will be lots of summery fun to play with, and I can pretend that I can go to the pool, but definitely too cold for the pool. The next item is this gorgeous notepad. Now this is a mystery item for the month, so each month there's a different item, and for this month we've got this gorgeous long notepad with quite a lot of pages. There's the artwork on it, and it's lined with these dots. And if you happen to have a Planners Anonymous Melody planner, these notepads are designed to fit in the back of them. So this is a note to self planner and notepad, but you can see there, these just slot perfectly like this. So this is a B6 wide size planner, just to give you an idea of the height of the notepad. There's a bunch of die cuts and this 5x7 inch art card. This is a thicker card, and it says enjoy every moment with those nice relaxing pool floaties on it. That's 5x7 inches if you missed that. And then we've got a whole heap of die cuts. Some of them are tiny, as you can see here. There's some tiny little blueberries that have escaped, but hopefully I can pick everything else up. Okay, there's also some tiny little strawberries and a pool floaty, flip-flops, popsicle, bag. There's Brooke with her sunglasses, another pool floaty, gorgeous drink, a unicorn pool floaty, and sunglasses, these little blueberries, gorgeous rose, and a full rose, popsicle, barbecue, the punch jug, sunglasses, hat, a hamburger, little rose petal, and more little bits of fruit. Just zooming out there, you can see all of the die cuts, and you can see that some of them are really good size, given this is 5x7 inches, and you can see the size of that in comparison there. So a really good size to play with. Next we've got the stickers that come in the kit. So there are 4 pages of stickers that come in the kit, and some of that gorgeous artwork that we've just seen in the die cuts. Also this lovely little summery divider here. The roses, absolutely stunning. And then we've got an entire month of date dots, weekly headers, and the folding melody sticker. And here we've got a nice functional but decorative icons. Absolutely loving these. Little sticky notes, splashes, flags, some headers. There's a sneak peek of the next kit. It's chapter 3, which is the 3rd book themed kit that Planners Anonymous have done. So 4 sheets of stickers. The last thing to look at as part of the monthly kit is the washi. So 3 rolls of washi, which I'll just roll out. Just as I'm rolling the washi out, I notice it seems super sticky, much stickier than it normally does, and it is tearing for me. So just be a bit more gentle when you roll it out. Normally I roll it out at a great high speed, but I'm just thinking this washi just might need a little bit of a nicer touch. This is the washi for the Poolside kit. We've got our gorgeous 5mm, which is a stripe, the 15mm pool floaty, and this wide one, which has a huge repeat. If we just look at it here, you can see the repeat pattern, because you can see the flip-flops, and here they are again. And this is an A4 page that I've rolled it out on. So you can see it has so much different artwork on it there. And then it continues along here. And then these are the 5mm and 15mm washies at the bottom there. There's no foil on the washi this month, and sometimes it's just nice to change it up. So there we go, lots of summery red, white and blue washi. Every month there's an add-on paper pack which you can add to your subscription, and this is the paper in the Poolside kit. We've got all of this gorgeous fruit and a jug of punch with a pink background. And on the reverse we've got this red watercolour. And then there's a lovely, I think, nautical, this lovely sort of distressed nautical stripe. And a lovely grey on the reverse of that. And roses, a whole page of gorgeous, gorgeous roses with a blue background in keeping with the theme. And on the reverse of that is this lovely, lovely blue watercolour wash. And then also an extra sheet of the vellum and an extra sheet of the acetate. So these are the papers in the Poolside add-on kit. And now looking at the add-on sticker kit, each month you can also add on a sticker kit. There's a whole heap of pages, I think normally about 18 pages. It's well worth adding this on, and it really, really extends the life of a kit just with all of the stickers that you get in here. But here we have a brook and some gorgeous different border stickers there. And a little bit of fruit and splashing, because Sammy always likes to fill a page with stickers. And then we've got a page here with all the people in the kit in it, including some half people. There are the different people. And a page with lots of floaties and beach clothing. Love this, love, love, love this. So a page of floral, I always love pages of floral, but this month for the very first time we've got some black and white. Absolutely love them. They will look so striking on something, and you could colour them yourself, but I actually really, really like the black and white outline of it to use. Looking forward to using those. And now for food, we've got lots of little fruits and punch and hamburgers and barbecues and all sorts of things there. More lovely, lovely rose borders and cheer borders. And then we've got some different little phrases here. Red, white and barbecue, chill out, sun's out, buns out, take the plunge, jump. And more nice borders. And then the full boxes and the double box, make a splash. And as per usual, this will be cut as two separate full boxes. So you can put them right beside each other or choose not to. And here we go with another double box and two separate full boxes and part boxes. This is a folding present that works the same way as the folding planner sticker, that perforated here and just fold. Love these little functional ones here. And then the page of words. So this top half is sort of words focused on the kit, and then just the functional words down the bottom there. And of course the cute little hearts. And here we've got the sticky notes, the hearts, the dots, the flags, and an entire month of date squares. And then trackers in the 4 colours of the kit. So functional. And then these are the colours of the kit with the different weekly headers, splashes, part boxes, flags, dots. So many goodies in coordinating colours. So this month we have the blue, the red, the brown and a different blue. And then the minis, 2 pages of minis. So we've got our minis that go along with the people that we have here. So for example, we can see our man here, and here he is in mini form. So cute. And then a page of our more functional minis and our little peeking minis, perfect for putting on little boxes and things at the side of peeking at the side or peeking over the top. And then of course all our functional minis. A grand total of 18 pages in the add-on sticker kit, and as per usual, just the stunning artwork, coordination and functionality that I just associate with Planners Anonymous. This has been my unboxing of Poolside by Planners Anonymous. As per usual, I'm just loving the colours, the artwork, the style, absolutely everything. Every month there's a different theme, different colour scheme, and it's always so much fun for being creative with. I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing, and maybe I will see you in my next video. Bye!